Hello South Africa. Load shedding blamed for hospital death. Health experts have confirmed that the impact of load shedding on South African hospitals is turning fatal. Revelations published by the Bhekisisa journal recall a case from earlier this year, where Eskom's rolling blackouts were directly linked to the death of a patient. An anonymous doctor got in touch with the senior health analysts, sharing a tragic story under a pseudonym. According to his testimony, load shedding caused a desperate delay in treating a severely injured patient, who lost his opportunity for immediate and critical care. In July 2022, a patient in his 20s was rushed to the trauma unit at Charlotte Maxseek after falling from a great height. Medics were desperately trying to determine if he was medically brain dead, only to discover signs of life. Then load shedding hit. After seeing the man's pupils respond to torchlight, they rushed to get him in the CT scanner ASAP. But it was no longer working. Unable to operate on generator power, a vital piece of equipment was made redundant, while a young patient's life remained in the balance. The power stayed off for 3 hours. The patient was now unresponsive, and the delayed scan revealed a severe bleed on the brain. A window of opportunity to save the man's life had been lost due to load shedding. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.